The lack of embedment with the steps caused the steps to lean forward. The 24 inches of stone dust in the upper patio portion, that just caused sinking and so many different problems with keeping moisture against that brick masonry. So with all this being said, we ended up keeping the walls. Typically with a raised patio, I will build walls all along the foundation so that it's a completely different structure and there's no weight being put onto the foundation of the house. These were steps that we pulled out here up against the foundation, and there should never be gravel right up against the foundation. There should have been a relief wall going across, but they had, if you could picture this, the next set of block on top of this for the step with that gravel right up against the brick, because these weepers need to be able to breathe. So we got to get all this out and make sure. And again, stone dust all the way through this project. Do not build on stone dust.